Our next step is to do something about the sky. The sky just kind of sits there and is not very attractive. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our magic wand tool. You used that in the last uh, tutorial, Mr. Produce Man, and we're going to select various pieces of the sky and get rid of them. If your magic wand section is not clicked on added to selection, you want to make sure it is, because we're going to select four different sections here. We want to make sure our tolerance is set at 25, which it is, and I can click in the sky here and select that, click between those two poles, click in the middle, and then click this little far piece. Now all the sky is selected, so I can click on delete, and that is now gone. If I choose my marquee tool, I can click out and we don't have the little lines anymore. I can now take my move tool and choose my clouds copy, and rather than copying and pasting, I can just click on this and hold and drag it over to my image copy, and you see I now have clouds there. Well, one of the problems is obviously the clouds are on top. So we can come over to our layers, and you'll see the background copy is on top. The cloud background copy is on top of the Venice scene, so we can just grab that clouds copy and move it down, and it jumps behind. The last thing we want to do with our sky is it's a little too intense for the washed out buildings that are in front of it. So if we go to our layers palette, there's opacity, and we can click there and we can lighten that up a little bit. And we take that down to about 75, 74, 75, 76, somewhere in there. And oops. And we now have the clouds back there. Now don't worry about these little boxes. Those will disappear when we flatten the image. That's all for this part. Make sure you go on to part 3.